The government really tried to wipe us in general. Residential schools played a big part in downplaying our people, but it's because of our elders that kept these teachings and these traditions on. These aren't some things that we just make up and we come here and preach and teach. These were just shared generation after generation after generation.
And on my way to school, I was called a dirty Indian, and a squaw, and Pocahontas.
A small part of me feels tired of hearing, I'm strong and resilient. I'm starting to get sick and tired of hearing that because I know I am. I know what I am. I know I'm strong.
As an Indigenous person coming through education, looking at these levels, there's not a lot of Indigenous leadership. Someone to role model the way. Someone to be there to be a part of the change.
But we must remember that during colonization, that our ceremonies and our language and our traditions and our dances and everything was outlawed. It was against the law.
What we're doing here is really confronting the past historical injustices and the incredible lack of knowledge people have about how they came to be here in British Columbia and Canada.
That don't talk, don't tell, don't feel, being really ingrained. My heart gets so full of joy when I see young people, especially, and they're just flipping that on its head.
We're still here. We're proud and strong people, and we want our youth and the students to know that if you need something, there's a way to get it.